Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do questions based on minus 6 big friends formula. Minus 6 has only big friends, so there is no confusion of small friends, okay? Now, we will do the B row first and then A row is your homework, okay? First of all, where are we going to apply the formula of minus 6? Where I am doing my question and I won't have enough beads left for minus 6. I will not be having any beads to do minus 6, so I have to do something, no? So that's when I will apply its formula. Okay, first question, let's see. Then we will see how is it applied. Add 1, added 1, then add 9. Do I have enough beads to do 9? No, right? So formula of 9 plus 10 minus 1, then minus 6. Do I have enough beads to do minus 6? No. So formula of minus 6 minus 10 plus 4. This is how we will apply the formula. Then plus 2. Do I have beads to do plus 2? No. So formula of 2 plus 5 minus 3. Okay, if my first answer is 6. Next, 4, 6. Can I do 6? No. Because I don't have enough beads left to do 6. So formula of 6 plus 10 minus 4. Then minus 6, reverse the formula. Just what we applied just now, we'll reverse it. Minus 10 plus 4. Then again 4. Beads for 4? No. So formula of 4 plus 5 minus 1. If you remember the formulas, if you are habitual of the formulas, you will not, face any difficulty in doing the questions, right? Next, 10 minus 6. Do I have enough beads to do minus 6? No. So formula of minus 6 minus 10 plus 4. Then again plus 4. No beads to do plus 4. So formula of 4 plus 5 minus 1. Then plus 2. No beads to do 2 again. So formula of 2 plus 10 minus 8. My answer is 10. Next, 10 minus 6. No beads to do minus 6, only 10 is there. So formula of minus 6 minus 10 plus 4. Then plus 6. No beads to do plus 6, so formula of 6 plus 10 minus 4. Now plus 2. That we can easily do, so my answer is 12. Next, 10 minus 6. Do I have enough beads to do minus 6? No, because there are no beads to do minus 6. So, we are going to apply the formula of minus 6, that is minus 10 plus 4. Now, plus 9. Can I do plus 9? No, because no beads for plus 9. So, formula of 9 plus 10 minus 1, then minus 4. Again, no beads for minus 4, so minus 10 plus 6. My answer is 9. So guys, A row is your homework now. B row we have done in the class. Okay. Do let me know the answers of your homework in comments. I'll see you in the next class now. Bye bye.